Welcome to the guided meditation. First, sit comfortably and adjust your posture. Sit in a way that your body is upright but relaxed. Upright but not using any muscle to hold your body in position. It's best if you don't lean back on the chair, don't lean on anything. You can sit towards the front of the chair so that you're balancing on your sitting bones, the muscles of the buttocks. You can tilt your pelvis forwards and then relax. Feel that it's upright. You can have your hands on your lap with the palms facing up, thumbs gently touching, one hand on top of the other. Or you can have your hands on your thighs. Make sure that your head is upright, not tilting forwards or back to the sides. To do that, you can actually open your eyes and look straight ahead. You'll be able to see that your head is upright because you're looking straight ahead. You could gently tuck in your chin ever so slightly so that your head is positioned in a way that it's balanced, so that your neck muscles don't have to hold or support the weight of the head. Then you can close your eyes. Have your mouth closed. The tip of your tongue just resting on the upper palate, behind the top teeth, where the teeth meet with the gums. You can take a deep, gentle breath and relax as you breathe out. Notice the feeling of your body. Notice if there's any tension from holding your muscles tight. If you notice the tension, then just release it. To relax more deeply, you can become aware of your body part by part, from head to toe, starting with the eyes. The eyelids can be open or closed. If your eyelids are open, make sure you're not looking or focusing on anything. The eyelids are open. There's light coming in. You can see shapes, but you're not looking. You're not focusing on any shape or image. If your eyelids are closed, then the eyes are already relaxed. They're not looking at anything. Be aware of the feeling of relaxation in the eyes, the eyebrows, and the forehead. If you notice any tension there, you're probably trying too hard to concentrate. So make sure the eyes, eyebrows, forehead are all relaxed. You may then notice a pleasant sensation in the head, feeling of relaxation throughout the whole head. And relax the facial muscles. You can make a gentle smile, a very slight and gentle smile. You feel the corners of your mouth ever so slightly upwards. A peaceful smile. Making the smile can remind you to enjoy just sitting. Enjoy relaxing. And become aware of the neck and shoulders. If you notice any tension, just release it. You don't need to move your body to relax. Just notice the feeling. If there's tension, just release it. If you don't feel tension, that's fine. You can just move on to the next part. When the shoulders are relaxed, the arms are just resting on the body, hands resting on your lap. So the arms all the way down to the fingers can relax. Then become aware of the chest, the upper back. Make sure you're not pushing out your chest. Just let the chest be in a natural, upright position. And the chest and the upper back can relax. Then become aware of the abdomen. Let the abdomen, muscles of the abdomen relax, be loose. When you relax your abdomen, you may notice the gentle movement of the abdomen as you breathe. When the abdomen is relaxed, the lower back, the waist can relax. Then notice the feeling of your body's weight, where the buttocks meet the cushion, where your feet meet the floor. Or if you're sitting on a meditation cushion, where your legs contact the floor. Become aware of the legs and allow them to relax. Relax the legs all the way down to the feet. Let your body be still, ever so still. But if you tense up, that's fine, and just relax again. also relax your mind. To relax the mind means to take a break from thinking, analyzing, judging. Take a break from problem solving. To relax the mind also means to not resist anything. If you feel something unpleasant, if you have an unpleasant thought come to mind, don't resist it. Resistance is also thinking and wishing something was different. Don't resist. You won't be hurt by what feels unpleasant. Just be aware of it. Accept it. And you won't be bothered by it. To relax the mind also means if something is pleasant, pleasant feeling, pleasant thought, don't wish you had more of it. Wishing you had more of something pleasant is another kind of thinking which is craving. Kind of craving for more, which activates the thinking mind. So don't seek for anything pleasant. Just have an attitude of accepting whatever your experience is at the moment. Just have an open and accepting attitude towards yourself, towards the experience of body, feelings, thoughts, sights, sounds, and any other senses. When the body and mind is relaxed, you already feel quite at peace, quite at ease. And just continue to experience yourself sitting. Continue to experience what it's like to sit in this very moment. Whatever you feel, whatever sensation you have, it just comes into your awareness. You don't have to focus on it. You don't have to focus on any sensation or thought or series of thoughts. Just simply sit and let your natural capacity to be aware take in whatever you experience. You're alive. You're conscious. Very naturally. You see, hear, feel, and have thoughts come through your mind. Just very naturally and effortlessly be aware that you're sitting. Experience this very moment of sitting in the space that you're in, without resisting, seeking anything. without judging or analyzing anything. Whatever you experience is just that. Feelings and thoughts come and go. There may be waves of emotion. It's all fine. If you're just sitting aware of all of it, you won't be pulled away by it. You won't be bothered by it. And if you suddenly realize that your mind has become distracted, maybe without realizing it, you were thinking about the past or the future, it's fine. Once you've become aware that your mind has been distracted, you're actually present again. Once you find that your mind was distracted, you're actually attentive again. You're mindful again. And all you have to do is continue to be aware of sitting. You don't need to chase after that thought or try to remember what it was. You don't have to try to stop thoughts from happening. Just let thoughts and feelings flow. You don't have to pay special attention to them. Just continue to be aware of sitting, at ease and relaxed. If you notice you've become tense again, that's okay. Just relax again. Just relax. If you notice your mind has drifted again, lost in thought, it's okay. Once you notice it, just come back to sitting. Just continue to be aware of sitting. Just enjoying sitting. Just experiencing sitting. Relaxed and at ease.